Make sure you put the little cap that came out of the microwave, magnetron out of the microwave in the coil side like that. You see, I don't even got this thing, I don't even have any hot glue on here really. The only thing hot glued on here is the socket in the middle, that 9mm socket that this piece is floating on. And the magnets are just stuck to the metal by themselves. Okay, let me turn it on. Turn on my amplifier. This is what it sounds like. That's an EMP coming from the northwest, I think. No, make that the west. It's coming. It seems to be coming from. That direction right there. This is a light switch.